In this video I'm going to show you how to fix can't join friends Minecraft game on the Nintendo Switch 2. First, make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. If you are not signed in, you'll see here in the left bottom a button with sign into Microsoft account. Because you're playing with friends, it is multiplayer, and that's why you will also need to have a Nintendo Switch Online subscription. What your friend needs to make sure is that in their world, if we go to play, and then your friend needs to select the world he wants to play with you or create a new world. Select edit, scroll down to multiplayer. He needs to make sure that this button here, multiplayer game, is toggled on. If this didn't work, try both to restart Minecraft and check if both of your Minecraft is up to date. So press on the home menu button on your Nintendo Switch, press on X, close software, then make sure Minecraft is selected. Press here on the plus button on the Nintendo Switch, go to software update and then select here via the internet and check if there's any update available. My Minecraft is at the moment at the latest version. So press OK, and now if we go back to Minecraft, select play, select friends in the top right corner here, select search for players. When your friend is online, he should appear here, and when they join their world, you can select join, and now you should be able to join their Minecraft game. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. This is how to fix can't join friends Minecraft game on the Nintendo Switch 2.